Welcome. If you've been eyeing the Norwex opportunity and wondering if it might be a good fit for you, I have got to tell you what's happening in May. In May, Norwex is giving a virtual start option that is completely risk-free if you want to just give this a try. All right, so basically there's 3 ways you can earn this starter kit for free in May. First of all, let me tell you what comes in the starter kit. So in the consultant starter kit comes the Enviro cloth, which is your, I like to call it your everything cloth. You wet it with water, clean everything. It's amazing. The window cloth, which is what polishes everything to a streak-free shine. The dusting mitt, which will transform the way you look at dusting. My favorite product, the Norwex Mop System. Oh my word. Mop base, dry mop pad, wet mop pad, and extendable handle. All are in the consultant starter kit. Also in the kit is the rubber brush. Now, if you have the Norwex Mop System, the dusting mitt, the Enviro wand, all of those things, the rubber brush is great for getting out dust bunnies and pet hair so that you don't need to launder it every single time you use it. So you are going to love that. Also in the kit, you get a mini of the cleaning paste and of the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, both of which are customer favorites. And then in the kit, you get the 3-pack of the face and body cloths. These are amazing for removing makeup, cleaning your face and body with just water. So you also get the business materials to really get you off to a good start. Now, typically what you can do is you sign up with this starter kit. They give you 2 opportunities to earn it free. When you have at least 1,000 in retail sales in your first 30 days, then you never pay the $200 for the kit. Option number 2, if life happens and you need a little more time, Norwex allows you 90 days to have 2,000 in retail sales, and again, you never pay the $200 for the kit. Now, should you not meet one of those options in a typical month, then you would just be charged the $200 for the kit. But in May, Norwex has given you the opportunity for a virtual start, which is kind of just a flip of that. So what you can do in May is you can actually get started for just $19.99. You don't receive the kit up front, but you do receive full consultant privileges. You're going to be able to start your business with online parties and so forth. Now, if you decide to go the virtual kit or the virtual start route, you can still earn the kit for free by having 1,000 in sales in your first 30 days or 2,000 in sales in your first 90 days. It's just reverse. Instead of this being shipped up front, then you get it once you earn it. So it makes it completely risk-free to give it a try. Now, this is a really good fit for those of you who have and love Norwex in your house. And you don't really need all the products to get started, or maybe you just want to run an online business. You want to be using the videos that Norwex provides us with to jump in and start doing your online parties and then earn your kit once you've done the first couple parties. So this is a great fit if you're just a little nervous and you feel like, oh, I feel like I want the no-risk route. May is your month to try out this virtual start and then earn your kit for free. I do want to mention that when you sign up, there is a one-time opportunity to get a kit builder, all right? So make sure during the sign-up process that you take a look at that. A lot of my team members like to take advantage of that extra discount and all of those top favorite popular products that come in that kit builder as well. Now, if you've been working with a consultant, I'm sure that they're taking awesome care of you. And if so, you want to reach out to them for more details on this. If you are looking for someone to help you get started in your Norwex business, I would be thrilled to be your mentor and sponsor. So don't hesitate to reach out. I'll give you my cell number, 319-270-7822. Feel free to text me, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. I really look forward to connecting with you.